Good morning, asset builders! This is GMD Eva Aradillos, and today is amazing. I'm so excited to finally share to you the video tutorial of FB Ads. As we'll know that this business is all about presentation and training. Presentation means doing STP to find your trainable, and training means teaching your trainable with our system. So for our training, we have our AB franchising duplication system. Check na tayo dito. For our presentation, we have already the tools presentation. But the question is, sinong kausapin natin? Yes, we have the warm and cold market. And for our cold market, we do prospecting with people around us. But this is super limited if we just depend on people around us. For our market is global. We cannot maximize it if we cannot connect to our audience beyond us. And this is the solution, FB Ads using Ads Manager. And this is it. In this tutorial, we made it simple and practical for everyone to follow. So you can find your dream people and build your dream team. Yes, I'm not techie myself, but I was able to launch my first ad by just following the tutorial. I'm so excited. Ready ka na ba? Yes or yes? Yes. So excited ako nito kasi it will address our problem na sinong kausapin ko today. And what is nice about it is that the people that are coming to us are the people who are already interested in our opportunity. Kasi these are the people who are attracted to our ads. Isn't that amazing? Yes, excited talaga ako to share this to you. And this training is basic only, just enough to run an ad. And if you want more, you can proceed to further research and study to maximize the Facebook ads, the power of Facebook ads. Okay? So, meron lang akong important notice dito that Facebook platform features can change anytime. So, it's important that you will understand the principle behind those processes. But mastering this tool will change the way we can connect to our market. Don't take this for granted. Let's give our energy here, for this will explode our business. Remember, all skills are learnable. That's very true. Kasi ako dati, I don't know what hashtag is and I didn't even know how to book a Grab. But since I'm willing to learn, I was awarded as Digital Ambassador by Lifestyles Global Network. Di ba? Ang galing? So it's true talaga. Every master was once a disaster. Okay, so let's dive in. So ano bang goal natin for this class? Of course, publish our first ad using Ads Manager. Yan ang goal natin. And we're gonna do that today. We'll be publishing our first ad dito, no, using the ad sets. So, ready na ba tayo? Yes. So, let's start. Okay, so, answer muna natin question dito. Why Facebook ads is super important? So, let's answer that. Bakit ba maganda yung Facebook ads talaga? Kasi, it has 3 billion, imagine 3 billion users around the world. In the Philippines alone, the users are almost 90 million. I'm sure from that figure, we can find our users, distributors, retailers, wholesalers, especially our leaders. This is super powerful because our market is not only in the Philippines, but global. With FB marketing, our reach is limitless. Gusto talaga natin yan. And since there are many prospects coming to us, ang maganda dito, hindi na tayo desperate sa mga tao. But we have now the luxury to choose people. People na willing, ready, teachable, and excited to be part of our team. So exciting talaga. Yes or yes ba? Of course, yes. Now, question. Meron tayong question dito. How do we maximize our FB ads? So ito, kasi dami talagang nalugi sa FB ads. What happened ba? It's because they just click the boost post made by FB. And to maximize our money spent in the ads, we will use the FB Ads Manager instead of clicking right away the boost post. And the reason for that is with Ads Manager, we can target our market more, creating our dream audience. In the boost post kasi, limited lang yung targeting. Kasi yung mga goals like campaigns and format and budgeting, limited lang siya. But with Ads Manager, maraming options. Kaya na-maximize natin yung campaign ads. And if you want that, you are exactly where you need to be because this session is all about Facebook ads using Ads Manager. But before we proceed again, pina-excite ko lang kayo, i-ano natin, discuss muna natin yung terminologies. I know most of us are new to this subject, so let me introduce to you first some terms which are important to this session. First one is Ad Manager. It is your dashboard. So keyword here is dashboard that helps you control your ads in one place, like that's setting up your ads, budget, and target audience. The next one is ad sets. Ad sets is short term for advertisement settings. You will set the controls. The keyword here is controls to target your audience. The next one is ad campaign. It's our ad. Ito yung ad natin, but with a goal. Ang goal natin may be awareness, traffic, sales, and more. The last one, the next to last is ad copy. Ad copy is the text or words. Keyword dito, text or words of your ads to grab attention sa audience natin para yung audience natin mag-take action. And there are 3 steps sa ad copy. First one is headline, then followed by description. The last one is call to action. The last one is terminology na kailangan nating aralin as ad creative. It refers to visual. Keyword naman dito, visual parts of our ads like images or videos. Okay? So, yun ang mga terminologies. Now, there are 3 steps. Makita mo dito, 3 steps to publish our ads. Of course, after creating our FB page. Kasi importante talaga creating FB page muna. Because you cannot make an ad using Ad Manager without FB page. So, create muna tayo ng FB page. And once you have the FB page, there are 3 steps na that we will do. Yun nga, no? Ang first one is set up an Ad Manager. Second is set up our ads on FB page. The third one is publish our first campaign using Ad Manager. Okay? So, dito na tayo. Create muna tayo ng FB page. Kasi napaka-importante na to. Again and again, you cannot do it in your personal account. It should be in the FB page. So, from your personal account, we will create an FB page. Okay? So, let's create a page now. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng FB page. So pupunta tayo sa Facebook account natin, personal account. Then, nandito na ako, Lovely Ledesma. Ito yung secondary account ko, personal account. Then, type in facebook.com/pages/creation. Okay. Tapos, click mo to and you will be brought to this page. So, create a page. So, anong page name mo? So, dapat piniprepare mo na to. So, everyday wellness journey. Yung page name ko. Category, required yan. So, it says here, type something to get started. So, lagay ko wellness. So, yan. Pinapili ka na. By the way pala, importante sa pangalan mo may branding. Huwag yung 24 hours, Eva Store, walang branding yun. Ito may branding, it's wellness. So, they're expecting it na natural talaga to. Okay, so type in mo yung wellness para sa category and lalabas ito sa baba. Huwag mong i-type yan na ang category mo. Dapat nasa baba yung piliin mo. So, in this case, health and beauty. So, yan ang piliin ko. Then, bio. Kailangan ng bio para social proofing. Welcome to my page. Okay, so here, we believe in the power of nature to help you bloom every day naturally. Okay, so yan lang. Pwede kopyahin. Kopya-kopya business naman to. Tapos, pag naka-blue to, okay yan. So, click mo. Okay. So, pag kiniklik mo yan, pag okay yan, yung page mo, yan. Finish setting up your page. Okay na ako doon. So, kailangan mo talaga i-fill in tong mga kailangan dito. Kasi pag hindi, mag-error ka in publishing. So, website, pwede naman wala. Pero yung phone number, lagay mo. So, phone number mo. Okay, Philippines ako. And then, yung number ko, yan. Okay. Tapos, email ad, lagay mo rin. Okay. Then, address mo. Okay. Lagay mo rin yung address mo. Kasi, pag hindi, nag-error talaga siya. Okay. So, zip code. Yan. Tapos, hours, always open. Okay. Then, click next. So, here, customize your page, add profile pic. So, profile picture, dapat ano siya, portrait. So, meron ako dito, lagay ko, nasa desktop. So, open, prepare ko na rin yan. Tapos, add cover photo. So, yung cover photo ko, naka-landscape. So, yan. Okay, so, meron akong profile pic, profile picture, tsaka, yan. Dito na yung mga pictures ko. Then, add action button. So, try natin kung ano to. Okay. So, okay na to. Send message lang tayo. Naka-blue to. So, yan lang ang kailangan natin. So, next tayo. Okay. So, save tayo. Then, next na ako dito. So, as you can see, wala akong profile pic dito kasi malabo. I-ano ko lang yan. I-change ko later. Okay? So, ano to? Connect WhatsApp. Skip lang. Wala tayong WhatsApp. Then, invite friends to build your page audience. Maya ko na rin gawin to. Okay lang yan. Kahit walang friends pa, makapublish ka pa rin. But of course, for best practices, huwag kang mag-publish kung wala ka pang maraming friends. But in the interest of time, yun, maya ko na yan mag-invite friends. So, next na ako. Okay. So, done. Done na ako dito. Yan. Okay, so, welcome to your new page. Take tour or not now. So, not now na lang. Okay, so meron na akong FB page. Everyday Wellness Journey. Okay, so yan ang paggawa ng FB page. At now, meron ka ng FB page, pwede ka nang mag-ads using Ads Manager. Okay, so yan lang. And see you in the next step.